It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long black hair.
And then she asks me, do I look alright?
And
And I say, yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone tastes to see this beautiful lady.